This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Zachary Zonker. This lovely 3-bedroom, 1-bath home is the perfect property for first-time home buyers. Additional living space includes a living area, family room, and great room that is being used as a home gym. There's also an inside laundry room. The exterior of this home features a new roof and paint. On the inside, the home features new flooring throughout, updated kitchen appliances, new kitchen cabinets, and beautiful butcher block counters. A covered carport provides parking for your vehicle. The property also offers a shed for extra storage and a fenced-in yard. This beautiful block home is a must-see. Lakeland is a short drive from Disney World, Orlando, Tampa, the Gulf beaches, and everything in between. For more